Hey, this is Pearl Hung, the founder of Elites Empire, and I'd like to share to you what Elites Empire is. And I divided it into 3 so that you can learn more about it simply with my explanation. I know for some of you, you are seeing Elites Empire on the internet and na-curious na kung paano to gawin, bakit maraming kumikita. And today, I'm gonna share it to you in a very simple explanation. No hype, no complicated terms. And you know what? Elites Empire gives solution to people. I see the need right now na sobrang daming tao ngayon that they're already aware that 8 to 5 job is already kulang para sa pang-araw-araw nila. Yung iba nga, lumabas na ng ibang bansa pero kulang pa rin at wala pa rin naiipon. It's because of the crisis that's happening in the world today, and it's because their 8 to 5 job ay kulang na para sa kanila. At hindi lang income ang alam nila na kailangan nilang hanapin, but actually, it's the freedom and direction. A lot of people right now are thinking, if I'm gonna do the same thing for the next 10 years of my life, will I get the dreams, and is this the life that I want? And it all boils down to people thinking about doing business. Pero when it comes to business, alam nila na mahirap magtayo ng negosyo. It's because, number 1, they need to have their market research. Kailangan nila munang alamin ano ba yung patok na negosyo, ano yung kailangan nilang simulan, ano yung okay sa market right now, at okay ba yung system nila that's flowing sa kanilang business. Second, that they need to consider is the branding and the proof. Kasi makikipagsabayan sila sa mga negosyo na meron ng naka-establish na negosyo dyan, dekada na ang nakalipas. Another is mentors. Kailangan mo talaga niyan pag ikaw ay magtatayo ng negosyo. But in reality, those mentors in the traditional business, iilan lang ang magtuturo sa'yo. Halimbawa, gusto mong magtayo ng lechong manok. Tuturuan ka ba ng may-ari ng lechong manok na malakas ng kanilang recipe, ng kanilang style? Of course not, because you will be their competitor. Kaya marami ngayon na hindi na lang nagnenegosyo kasi they're actually blinded on how to start their own business. Another thing that they need to have are the systems that's running in the business. Akala ng iba, kapital ang pinaka-importante sa isang negosyo once they are starting a business, but actually, it's not the capital, but it's the system that is working in the business that really matters the most. That's why pag pinag-usapan natin ang traditional business, some people make it after 20 years bago mo pa masasabi na okay, successful na ang kanilang traditional business. And in the world today, we know that online is really the future. It's really the key. At kapag ang negosyo mo ay wala sa online, it's like you're not doing any businesses at all. Sabi nga ni Bill Gates, one of the richest person in the world is that if your business is out of the internet, then you're not doing businesses at all. Elites Empire is a community and a system that teaches people how to build income using their phones through digital platforms. So it means na napakaraming taong pwedeng gumawa ng negosyo na ito dahil maraming may internet, maraming may cellphone access. And this is unlike traditional businesses that requires big capital. Dito po, small startup, pwede na. In traditional businesses, you do it alone. You figure it out alone. But here, may system, may guidelines, may community na tutulungan kang matuto step by step. Here, at Elites Empire, think of it like this. Instead of you trying to figure out how to earn alone, you plug into the system that already works. Then you just learn how to do it. This system of Elites Empire has been existing for the past 5 years. And for the past 5 years, it has created great results. And imagine, we created almost 200 millionaires because of this. Ang daming mga OFWs na nakauwi for good. Marami dito that has been happier in their lives na hindi na sila nandun sa abroad malayo sa pamilya, but right now, they're already here. They know na kapag gagawin nila ang negosyong ito in the next 10 years of their lives, maganda ang magiging resulta. Inside Elites Empire, we are building skills, how to communicate, market, and sell because it's napaka-importante. Second is the character. It develops your personality, patience, and wit. Third that we are developing here ay income based on how you apply what you learn. Pero hindi ito magic. Hindi rin ito instant. But it's simple enough na kahit wala kang experience sa pagnenegosyo, kahit hindi ka pa utak negosyante, kahit hindi ka pa confident gaano for you to be able to close your first sale. Always remember that you can start here dahil sa nabuo nating system and community. Third thing that I'd like to discuss is why I founded Elites Empire Yes, I'm the founder of Elites Empire, Pearl Hung. It's because of I know how network marketing is really changing lives at alam ko kung ano yung naitulong niya sa buhay ko. I see the industry na sobrang ganda. A lot of people nag-transform ang buhay, nag-heal, and that's my personal testimony. I don't want people to just join a business. I want them to have direction, guidance, real system support. Yan ang pinaka-importante when you're starting the business. It's because, especially when you're starting from zero. I know how it feels like starting in a business, wala kang idea, because I started 15 years ago as a student, and that time, ang sabi sa akin ng upline ko is, mag-invite ka lang sa office all the time because there's a lot of speakers there, may nagpe-present ng negosyo. So I did. Yun po ginawa ko araw-araw, and it has given me so much value in my life, not only financially, but actually how I learn, how I see things, at pag-develop ng sarili ko. During pandemic, that was the birth of Elites Empire. And during that moment, we created everything online because it's accessible. Kaya makikita mo, we have happy members from Batanes hanggang Jolo, Sulu, Zamboanga, from all the islands of the Philippines na kahit naka-Starlink lang sila doon or remote area in their places, they are happy with the business because their business that can change their lives is just at their fingertips. So anytime they can access the trainings, the presentations, and all the time, lagi tayong may events. Not only in the Philippines, but actually in different parts of the world, that our system is accessible 24/7. So it's up to you. How do you want to be trained? We have our growing leaders, North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Southeast Asia, as well as the Oceania. Lahat sila nag-enjoy and very happy with Elites Empire's system. So if ever you will work with me, you'll actually be guided by the system I created. That's why make sure that you are talking to me, Pearl Hung, and I have my website, www.pearlhung.com. You can search there all my social media accounts. And here on Facebook, I only have one Facebook page, and you can see it kung ano yung legit at kung ano yung mga gumagaya sa ating pangalan. And it's because nakikita ko that many people are really idolizing us. They see that our system is effective, kaya ginagaya na lang nila yung pangalan. So make sure you're talking to me directly, and I have my team, my admins to actually guide you through, but you can communicate them in my page, Pearl Hung. But this is not for everyone. Because if you're that person who's looking for easy money, or ayaw mong matuto, or ayaw mo mag-effort, I'm going to tell you, this won't work for you. So it means na tinatrabaho talaga itong negosyo na to. But if you're someone who's willing to grow, may patience, may tiyaga, this can really change your situation. Because here, it's like any other kind of business na meron talagang gagawin, tatrabahunin, aaralin mo siya, and you will apply everything that you are learning. And I always have in my mind na kung nagawa ng maraming tao, or kung nakaya niya, kaya ko rin. And that's what I want you to always think about. Once again, this is Pearl Hung. Make sure to connect with me. I only have one Facebook page, and that is Pearl Hung.